Hi friends, my name is Jamshed. I'm here today to show you how you can close your Google account. Let's start. So we opening Google Chrome browser. Here you are. We're going here, up here on right hand side, Google account. That's it. And we're moving to manage your Google account. There you go. Then we're coming to the left hand side, data and personalization. There you are. And we come down here, delete a service or your account. There you are. And delete a Google service, delete your Google account. Yeah, let's do this. Delete your Google account. And we provide the pen, of course. Let me see. Yes. We confirm that we are aware of what's going on here. And delete account. That's it. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted. All done, friends. Thank you very much for your time. If you think this video was helpful, please like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.